How to use Wix blog. If you are considering started a new blog, then Wix may be the solution for you. In this how to build a blog with Wix guide, we discuss the features Wix has to offer and why you should consider using it as your website building platform of choice. Wix provides two different ways to create a blog. You can use either Wix's artificial design intelligence tool or choose one of Wix's beautiful templates and customize it using the Wix editor. We will look at how to get started using both of these options. We will also gain an insight into the variety of tools and apps that Wix offers to help promote and grow your site. By the end of this article, you should have a good understanding of whether Wix is an appropriate choice for your blogging project. Wix the basics. Wix is a cloud-based web building platform that currently services over 100 million users across 190 countries. The solution prides itself on being totally user friendly, enabling users of all skill levels to create stunning websites without having to touch a line of code. Wix fundamentally works using online drag and drop tools, and it is a popular site builder. This gives users the complete freedom to express their creativity and not be hindered by a lack of technical skills. Whatever whatever your Wix can support you in your website development, whether you are a blogger, online store, or business owner are looking to set up a website. Wix provides a free website building platform and large range of templates, tools, and features that will quickly. This process will Wix will enable you to design your own unique website to promote your business services, apps, and content, and you can have fun doing so. If you want to learn more, then check out these great Wix examples or read this week's review. Top features. So now a little about Wix. Next, let's consider the features Wix offers in more detail. Here in a selection of Wix's most impressive offering. Drag and drop website builder. Wix is a complete drag and drop website builder solution. The Wix editor allows you to customize every element of your website. Choose to display beautiful images and videos, alter the background and add audio, display text and animations as and where you want. Change the size and type of fonts. Use a 3D parallax effect and attach a social media buttons floating bar. And importantly, you can quickly add new blog pages and articles using the Wix blog app or the ADI blog manager. Designer made templates. Pick the website template you love. Wix has over 500 designer made built for purpose templates, so you are sure to find something appropriate for your project. There are a wide of templates to cater for different websites, all showcasing stylish and modern designs. Templates are also mobile friendly and 100% customizable. Huge media collection. Wix provides a huge media collection, includes images, gifs, clips, art, video, music, and more. A large collection of stock images and videos arranged in categories can be used for free. Premium images can also be purchased from big stock even, without even having to leave Wix. Other options include uploading your own images or videos to use on your site or selecting images from your social networks, Dropbox, Google Drive, and a range of other solutions. Music can be shared from your Spotify account on your site. You can stream videos from YouTube, Facebook, or Vimeo. Easy blogging. Wix is an ideal blogging platform. A new Wix blog app recently realized by Wix enables you to easily create a stunning blog on your site.